Have you ever wanted to transplant a crop started in soil in a tower garden? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I successfully did that with a few different crops, and we're going to do another one right now. So it is like not a good feeling when you go into a beautiful garden shop and you have all these different types of plants that you can't use because you're growing in a tower garden. And if you've watched my channel, you know I use a ton of Rockwool. I love it, very useful. I have a video on it you could check out here. But the downside is that really you have to germinate everything yourself. But I came up with a similar idea. Introducing the 5x4-inch plant nursery sleeve. I transplanted peppers, squash, zucchini, and 44 marigolds into a tower garden. It is so simple to do. By the way, my name's Michael. Thank you for dropping by if you're new here. I'm pretty much on a mission to help people grow food anywhere. And be sure to like this video if it's helpful and subscribe to see others. So if we just pull out one of these plants, even a smallie, you see how the roots are making it out of this bag, no problem. If they were too tough, the roots could be root bound, and that's not what you want. The plant will never be what it could be. All we're gonna do is pull out our plant, and we wanna get as much of the soil off as possible. But from here, I would just come and take a hose and we'll just spray the rest of it off. Gotta be very gentle, of course, best you can. So what we have left is a ton of root mass that we can now throw into this bag, making it sort of like a hybrid hydroponic. And I'm putting a bunch of different cuts all throughout. And then we are legit just taking that root mass, sliding it into this bag. And there it is. This guy out, this is the one that didn't make it. Oh. Then we're gonna take him and put him in. And of course, you're trying your best to be gentle this whole time, but you can also sort of shape it to sit how you want. And what I was also doing is taking these tags that came with the plant from the store, and I'm just putting it in there, give it a bit more stability. And then I would actually wrap a little tie around it to hold it on. All right, now let's go ahead and put him in. I have different types of vining squash here, and the plan is to let them stretch out over this net. And that's it. It is that easy. How cool is that? I hope you're excited because now everything at the garden store is available to you. And I mean, I was so stoked to finally figure this out. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and visit the description to find links to the exact plant nursery sleeves that I'm using, and subscribe if you haven't.